Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Investing Kev. In today's episode, we're going to take a look at 5 stocks I believe are deep value, all under $10. These are stocks I believe are long-term plays and have the potential to double, triple, quadruple from its current price in the years to come. I've done a stock breakdown and analysis on each of these stocks, so we'll go in order of when I release these episodes. The links to each episode will also be in the description box below. For full disclosure, I own every single one of these stocks in my portfolio. Also, this is for entertainment purposes only. Always do your due diligence and speak with a professional advisor. I'm not telling you to buy any of these stocks. This is just my opinion and stocks I like for the long term. And my channel is growing, so thank you for the love and support. If you like this content, please hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you think. Alright everyone, let's get started. The first stock is SoFi, ticker SOFI. I released an episode a long time ago, which is episode 9. What I like about SoFi is that they had a strong fiscal year 2021. They saw a 62.6% increase in their annual adjusted net revenues. Back in January, they were approved for a banking charter, which allows them to not have to rely on a third-party bank to handle loans or other financial things. The future of SoFi is tied to the future of Fintech, which is expected to reach hundreds of billions of dollars globally between 2025 to 2030. You can see they're expanding members where they added 523,000 members from Q3 2021 to Q4 2021. They currently have 3.46 million members. They are trying to be a one-stop shop for all your financial needs from loans, investing, savings, credit, and many more. That ease of access within their ecosystem is resonating really well with a lot of people. Right now, SoFi is currently at $9.77. It's a good thing they dropped under $10 today, or else they would have ruined this video being the only stock not under $10. The next stock is a company focused on the used car segment in China, Uxin, ticker UXIN. I did a stock breakdown back in episode 20. What I like about Uxin is their commitment to being an inventory-based company. Many people consider this possibly being the Carvana of China, and we'll see in due time. But right now they are building up their inventory and they are seeing an increase in transaction volumes. In the fiscal year 2022 Q3, they sold nearly 4,900 vehicles, which is a 33.4% increase quarter over quarter and a 110.9% year over year increase. They also saw a 56.9% increase in total revenues year over year, and their gross margin was at 4.1%. This is a 1.2% increase compared to 2.9% the previous year. Looking at their future, in 2021, there were 17.6 million used cars that changed hands and is expected to reach 19 to 20 million in 2022. COVID-19 is currently picking up in China, so these numbers will likely be adjusted. But there is no doubt that the used car market is gaining traction, and I'm confident Uxin will be a big player. Right now, Uxin's stock price is at $1.08. The next stock is another Chinese stock, but focusing on online trading, Fintech, ticker TIGR. You can find the breakdown in episode 25. During their fiscal year 2021 Q4 highlights, their total revenues increased 31.7% year over year. Their fiscal year 2021 total revenues were at $264.5 million US, which is a 91% year over year increase. They added over 414,000 funded accounts, which exceeded their 350,000 target for 2021. They currently have a total of 673,000 funded accounts, with 50% of those accounts coming from Singapore and other overseas markets. And recently in February, they entered into Australia. Right now in China, a lot of people's wealth is tied to real estate, but there's currently a rise in the younger generation in China and around the world investing in stocks. These are thanks in part to Robinhood, Moomoo, Fintech, and other legacy companies like Charles Schwab, Fidelity, TD Ameritrade, and Vanguard. I like the future of online trading platforms because it is projected to reach a value of $18 billion by 2027. And this article from Singapore showed that more Singaporeans are looking for ways to grow their wealth. Looking at a recent study, 2 in 5 respondents put more investments in the past 6 months. That is an increase of 8% from the year prior. And right now, Fintech's price is at $5.45. The next stock is Genius Sports, ticker GENI. You can check out episode 30 for the breakdown. Genius Sports handles sports data around the world, which is provided to different sports leagues, sportsbooks for sports betting, and they also have other services available. Their recent Q4 earnings showed a 78.7% increase in group revenue. Their fiscal year 2021 revenue saw a 75.5% increase year over year compared to fiscal year 2020. Sports betting is accelerating around the world as it becomes legalized, and Genius is at the forefront. Looking at the sports betting market from 2021 to 2025, they're going to see a compound annual growth rate of 10%. From 2020 to 2025, the market is expected to grow by $106.25 billion. Right now, Genius is currently at $4.66. The final stock is Huya, ticker HUYA. This is a live streaming provider of esports and other content in China and around the world. Their episode breakdown is episode 34. Their recent Q4 earnings showed a 6.4% decrease year over year from Q4 2020. They said that the decrease was due to the environment of what was available content-wise. From fiscal year 2020 to fiscal year 2021, they saw an increase of 4% in revenues. They are also continuing their international growth via Nemo TV. Their average mobile monthly active users of Huya Live increased 7.4% to 85.4 million users, and their growth is tied to the future of the video gaming market. Looking at their future, they will need to convert more users into paying users, and they are also focusing on increasing content quality. quality. The global gaming market is expected to reach $314.4 billion by 2027. This is a compound annual growth rate of 9.64% over 2022 to 2027. And the global video streaming market is projected to reach $149 billion by 2026. Huya will face a ton of competition domestically and globally, but I believe that they have a spot in a quickly growing industry. Right now, their stock price is currently at $4.90. That's all I have for you today. SoFi, Uxin, Fintech, Genius Sports, and Huya. These are the 5 deep value stocks currently under $10, which I believe are long-term plays. These are the stocks I'm accumulating as much as I can right now. I have the conviction that they will help me reach financial freedom someday. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you think. I am also on Twitter at InvestingKev. As always, thank you for tuning in, stay safe, and I will see you all next time.